This video covers practical Instagram password hacking tools defenders need to know. We'll look at real tools used in attacks, focusing on how they work and how to defend against them. Use this knowledge to recognize attack patterns, set stronger policies, and protect accounts. Let's break down 10 key attack simulators and what they reveal for your defense strategy. Meet the low and slow simulator, Instahack. It tries a few passwords, waits, then tries again, making it hard to detect. Standard failed login alerts won't catch this. The attack volume is too low. Actionable tip: review login logs for repeated failures from the same device or IP over days. Set progressive delays after several failed logins, 30 seconds, then 5 minutes. This slows attackers but barely affects real users. If you detect slow probing, raise the risk score and trigger multi-factor authentication. Prompt users for an authenticator code when unusual activity is detected. Monitor for subtle, persistent login attempts, not just obvious attacks. Regularly update your defenses to adapt to changing attack patterns. Now the opposite, a high-volume tester, Instabruteforce. This is the battering ram thousands of password attempts in minutes. It's noisy and easy to detect if your alerts are set right. Look for massive spikes in failed logins from a few IPs. Defend with strict account lockouts. After several failures, lock the account and notify the user. For distributed attacks, rate limit at the firewall. Throttle or block IPs making too many attempts. Serve CAPTCHAs or challenges to persistent offenders. This is your authentication fire drill. Test if your lockouts and rate limits work at scale. Can your system handle the load without blocking real users? Simulate high-volume attacks in a lab to find weaknesses before attackers do. High-volume stress tests reveal if your basic controls are ready. Don't wait for a real attack to find out. Prepare for the fire drill now. Next, let's look at evasion, Instacipher. This tool knows about lockouts and rate limits, so it spreads attempts one try per account, rotating through proxies. It mimics many users, dodging simple rules. The best defense? Multi-factor authentication. If a login comes from a new device or network, require a second factor. Anomaly detection is key. Does this user usually log in from this country, device, or time? Contextual risk scoring matters. Flag logins that break the user's normal pattern. Don't rely on static rules. Adapt to attacker behavior. Score risk using IP, device, user agent, location, and history. High-risk logins trigger step-up authentication. Evasive attacks teach us to move beyond passwords. Trust, but verify, always in context. Attackers adapt, so must your defenses. Make your security smarter than the attack. Now, the classic dictionary attack, InstaBrute. Instead of random guesses, it tries common or breached passwords because people are predictable. Defend with strong password policies. Require length, complexity, and block common passwords. Go further. Check new passwords against breached databases and block reused ones. Don't let users set Winter 2024 or Password 123. Test your policies with dictionary simulators. Can users still set weak passwords? Enforce technical controls, not just guidelines. User security starts at password creation. Proactive defenses prevent future breaches. Dictionary attacks show the need for real enforcement. Guide users away from predictable choices. Make strong passwords the only option. Stop the attack before it starts. Let's complicate things. Instabruteforce, the anonymized trial. This uses massive proxy networks or botnets. Every login attempt comes from a new IP. IP blocking fails. You can't block them all. Move beyond IP. Correlate user agent, device fingerprint, and attack patterns. Look for shared traits, same browser, same screen size, same account order. Flag suspicious flows for deeper inspection. Serve CAPTCHAs or throttle traffic matching attack fingerprints. Layered defense is key. Combine IP, device, behavior, and heuristics. Make attackers change their entire signature, not just IPs. Anonymized attacks expose the limits of single-signal defenses. Build context-aware, multi-layered protection. Force attackers to work much harder. What if the attack is massive? Enter brute force attract, the scalability test. It's a DDoS and credential stuffing combo, aiming to overwhelm your servers and find valid accounts. Your infrastructure is pushed to the limit. CPU spikes, bandwidth maxes out, users get errors. On-prem firewalls can't keep up. Defend with cloud-based web application firewalls and DDoS mitigation. Scrub traffic before it hits you. Use auto-scaling to keep serving real users even under attack. Aim for graceful degradation, not total failure. Test your stack end-to-end network, firewall, application. Can you absorb and filter attack traffic at scale? Scalability tests reveal if your defenses hold under pressure. Prepare for the worst. Don't let attackers take you down. Make resilience part of your security plan. Let's talk concurrency. Password brute force. This tool sends hundreds of simultaneous login attempts for the same account. Simple lockout rules may fail. By the time you lock, the attack is done. Defend by limiting concurrent login attempts per account. Only allow 1 or 2 at a time. Reject extra attempts instantly. Add progressive challenges. After a few rapid failures, require a CAPTCHA. This slows attackers and stops automation. Log every attempt with timestamp, IP, and user agent. Look for flurries of requests in milliseconds. Use these signatures to build better detection rules. Parallel attacks reveal race conditions in your defenses. Serialize login attempts to regain control. Don't let attackers win the race. Now, intelligent proxy rotation, InstaBrute. Every request uses a new clean IP, defeating IP-based blocking and rate limiting. The attack looks like millions of unique users. Defend with device binding. Fingerprint devices in browsers, not just IPs. Build behavioral baselines. Know what's normal for each user. Flag logins from new devices or locations as suspicious. Anomaly scoring is essential. Combine device, browser, history, and context. IP is just one signal. Use many. Proxy rotation attacks show identity is more than an address. Composite risk scores catch what IPs can't. Detect the well-disguised attacks with smarter analytics. Stay ahead with layered detection. Next, the customizable framework, Instabruteforce. Attackers tailor word lists, speed, threads, and proxies for specific targets. They use public info to build smarter guesses, like employee names plus common patterns. Defend with strong password guidance. No personal info, no predictable patterns. Train users to avoid easy-to-guess passwords. Proactively block passwords matching common or targeted patterns. Run internal password strength checks to find weak spots before attackers do. Encourage passphrases over passwords, long, memorable, and strong. Allow longer passwords in your policy. Attackers are creative. Your defenses and training must be too. Customizable attacks demand robust, adaptive policies. Stay one step ahead with education and enforcement. Finally, the long game. Hack Insta, the sustained campaign. This attack lasts weeks or months, mixing all techniques, low and slow, proxy rotation, custom word lists, and bursts. The goal, wear down defenders, cause alert fatigue, and wait for mistakes. Defend with long-term monitoring and smart alert management. Analyze trends over weeks, not just hours. Correlate low-priority events to spot slow campaigns. Use rolling blacklists and reputation scoring. Penalize repeat offenders over time. Build playbooks for long-term attacks. Who responds, what data to collect, how to investigate quietly. Run drills to build muscle memory for real incidents. Sustained attacks test your team's endurance and process. Be ready for the marathon, not just the sprint. Preparedness is your best defense. Use layered, intelligent security controls, MFA, rate limiting, behavioral analysis, and strong passwords. Only test in controlled environments. Unauthorized access is illegal. Simulate attacks to find weaknesses, then improve your defenses. Thanks for watching. Comment what Defender topic you want next.